Good morning, happy Monday. Did y'all watch the Super Bowl yesterday? I watched only till the halftime show because I wanted to see Usher. I'm not gonna lie. This room is a mess again, so I'll probably do a quick clean with me one day. Well, it's not a mess as much as I've just laid stuff in here and left stuff on top of the desk again. We're doing Eric's school stuff in the other room. And also, as you can tell, I'm so much more full of energy and happiness. If you didn't read the community page, it was not cancer. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. And I am clear-faced because as I spoke up in the last video, I have been jogging a lot. I have already lost 4 pounds in 2 weeks and I'm so excited. But also, my doctor has put me on a very low dose, like 12 milligrams, 12.5 of a blood pressure medicine, so that while I'm doing this, because running and jogging and walking takes 1 to 3 months to show any sign of helping your blood pressure. So she put me on a very low dose, so while I'm doing this, permanent damage don't help. Oh, also, I'm wearing a workout outfit. See? I got my little thing on, my little Reebok, and the sports bra. And then this is a when I cool down shirt. Jason got this for me. When I finish working out, it's like really thin so the sweat can dissipate, because I have been soaking wet when I finish. I have been doing 4.5 miles in an hour. So, and I know a lot of you told, one of you in particular, and then a couple of other people have told me that they wish they could get up and jog and stuff. And what I was thinking of saying is, this helps. This is an Apple one, but I have one here somewhere that I got on Amazon for 20 bucks. Someone gave me for Christmas, and it was like 20 bucks. And it's Amsfit, and you put the app on your, and when you start to see how much you don't move in a day, which honestly for the last 6 months I've been depressed, so I really wasn't doing much of nothing. Not gonna lie. I was sick. I was doing different things. I was just pre-planning ahead just in case. So yeah, I scratched my head the other day. I have no idea how. Well, I'm talking to y'all before I open the Ipsy. Let me clean my face before I work out so that all this grease, dirt, and grime don't get all up in my pores while they open up. But it helped me to see how much I wasn't moving, and then I looked up what active, average, and all that is, and I wasn't even hitting that anywhere close to even the lowest level. I want to say the lowest level equals 5 miles of movement a day, which is like 10,000 steps. And that's where I'm at. I think that's the lowest level. I will link that below. And then when she put me on the blood pressure medicine, it's supposed to mess with my sugar. It's going to mess with all kinds of things. So I have to be careful. But, you know what? I always had low blood sugar, so if it elevates it a little bit, we're good. My A1C is perfect. My cholesterol is perfect. The thing I don't like is that this also messes with my cholesterol. But I take steps ahead of time, because my dad died from a stroke and a heart attack. He had a stroke, multiple strokes, then he had a heart attack. My uncle has had multiple strokes recently. My grandma, my dad's mom, died from a heart attack all of a sudden. So there's heart problems in my family. So when my doctor said, you know, your cholesterol's a little elevated, it's nothing to worry about yet unless you want to do something. So I wanted to do something. I went ahead and did something. So, but that helped me. The little watch thing, that really did help me because I realized how much I wasn't moving. Even though I was doing stuff like I was planting plants, I was working out in the yard, but you're standing still. So it doesn't register on your steps. So and then I realized my son got 11,000 steps in a few hours by just walking up and down the hall and into the kitchen at my mom's house. I am not kidding you. He literally got almost 11,000 steps one day just from doing an L. So in our house, so nobody sees you. You could just walk up and down the hall a couple of times and work your way up. Like go from your bedroom to your kitchen, to your living room, and like just hold your phone while you're watching the YouTube video, like while you're watching this. Go ahead and hold your phone and walk up and down the hallway, do an L. That's what my mom calls it. She calls it my son's L. And then, you get tired, you sit down. No one's there to see you. You're not outside. I'm not outside because I know I get tired sitting on that thing, and I'm like, okay, I gotta lower the level. Like the other day, I tried to take it easy, and I still did 4.5 miles, but I had to take longer to do it, and that was mostly because my brain was saying I have to do that 4, so that the rest of my steps, the rest of the day, equal out to what I need. Yesterday, I worked in the yard. I got 8,000 steps. I didn't do any jogs yesterday because I was just wanting to get some stuff done in the yard and everything. So I'm about to do Eric's school, then I'm going to go do my jog. But we're going to open my Ipsy box. It came in last week, and I meant to do it this weekend. Stuff happened. Oh, and I'm going to have to take a picture or record once I finish. But Jason got me some Groot statues. Planters for my succulents. I went and got some succulents for them yesterday. So this is my February Boxycharm. Can't see nothing yet. Boxycharm by Ipsy. I always label these Boxycharms because let's face it, I didn't choose to move over to Ipsy. Ipsy chose to move over to me. Us. So we're just going to go with that. It's a self-love affair. It's a little thing. And it tells you the prices of 2 of the items. I think my box, when I picked it, I need to quit picking it because I just don't know what I want. See my little gray hair? See my little Eric right there? Alright, the first thing on top is an Ace Beauty palette. And after I do my workout, one day this week, I'll wash my face and everything, and I'll go ahead and do this is Mystic Romance, and I'll go ahead and do a look with this. Let's see what it looks like, though. Oh, yeah, we'll do a Valentine's makeup look on Valentine's Day. I'll go ahead and do it on Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day will be 11 years me and Jason have been together. I love Ace Beauty. Oh, look at this. You are beautiful. I love that. Celestial and Aurora are calling my name, so we're just gonna go ahead and swatch those 2. Oh yeah, gorgeous. Can't wait to use those. I am finding joy in so many other things, and also there is some really, I wanted to say also, I have found some YouTube video workouts that okay, this thing, before I forget, is $38.99, so that's almost the price of the box. It's a little more than the price of the box, so there's your box cost right there. All right, but there's one, and it's like growing with some. I will link some of the ones I've looked at so far. This is Eloise Ultra Glow Lip Oil. I can't remember what I picked. It's stuck. Let's see what it looks like. I think I did pick this, actually, now that I think about it. It's a lip oil. See, the thing is, like, I know this is a lip oil. I mean, let's face it, they expire within... Well, this is 24 months. They could have at least given you. But you see that? There's so much extra space on the top, the bottom, that you're not getting a whole lot. But this looks... I've been getting into lip oils. I'm liking some lip oils. But just in case, It's leaving it in the package. All right. The next thing in here is Keep It Clean Hydrating Gel Cleanser. Washes away makeup, dirt, debris without stripping the skin. Looks like this. Plastic. And it's by In Beauty Project. Right? Dermatologist, no. Ophthalmologist tested. Safer, okay. Safer eyes and contact lens wearers. Okay, I was like, why was it tested by? It's infused with ceramides, 10 amino acids, and vegan collagen. Alright, the next thing we got is Suit of Armor Battle Prep Eye Primer. Because my eye primers are getting old, and sometimes I like them when I'm doing a cut crease. Especially like this. It looks like it's tinted. I am not opening it just in case right now, but it's in the little closed container. When you pulled it out, prep your eyes. It's all the directions on a little slip of paper. That's kind of cool. Ah, I'm supposed to stay with this black thing so you can see it. Okay, well, we're going to stick that in there. I do like that. And I think it's by Tease. That's what I'm going to go with. Powered by Passion Flower. Blank canvas. Yeah, so this is going to be colored a little bit, which is good. And this will be going in a giveaway. This is by Glowish by Huda Beauty Luminous Pressed Powder in medium. Maybe I just need to sell it and not give it away. Let me know, actually, if you're medium and you're watching this, because that's a dark color. Let me see if I can open it. But as y'all remember, I'm not using Huda Beauty palette stuff anymore. So this is a pressed powder. Yeah, this is dark. This is even dark for me, I think. So, but I'm not using Huda Beauty no more. I've gotten rid of all my Huda Beauty products, and this is too dark anyways. So let me know, should I put it in a giveaway, or should I just, I mean, maybe if you're lighter, you could use it as a bronzer, so maybe I'll just stick it in a giveaway. Let me know. Should I put it on my Poshmark, or should I do a giveaway? But either way, it's really good. And I do want to say thank you for the Valentine's Day card. You know who you are. I felt so special, and it came on a day I really needed it. I'm very, very honored. So, I'm thinking about getting, I don't have enough followers right now to get a P.O. box. If you know my address, you want to give away from me, that's fine. If you ever want to send me anything, ask for my address. I will gladly give it to you. I hope you all have a blessed and wonderful day. And now I get to go teach Eric, and he has been very cranky today and yesterday. I think he's getting a cold or something because the weather keeps going do. So, yeah. Anyways, I will talk to y'all soon. Love you. See you in the next one.